जी नाजरीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। इस वक्त हम मौजूद है जानस्कर में। ये आप देख सकते हैं कि जानस्कर का आसपास का व्यू, और ये है मेन पदम एरिया। वहाँ पर मेन मार्केट है, यहाँ से करगिल जाते हैं। ये रहा किबला वाला साइड, और दिस इज़ द डायरेक्शन ऑफ श्रीनगर साइड, एंड दिस मे बी द डायरेक्शन ऑफ किश्तवाड़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट, in fact the Jammu province side. And from that very side you can go to Manali, Shimla, Himachal Pradesh, etc. And from that very side you can go to Leh, and this whole region is Ladakh. Overall it is a wonderful area. In this video I may tell you something about myself. I completed my MA Masters at Kashmir University in 2006. In 2006, and then ultimately I did BED, and I qualified NET, and then I was selected as general ed teacher in 2009 in district Ganderbal. Then I worked there in many schools. From the starting school was MS Rapura Bala, in fact. And then I was transferred to MS Sheikh Zoo. I also worked in PS Sheikh Zoo. In MS Zazna I did also work. Then I was transferred to MS Narayan Bagh. Then I worked in MS Vandhama. Then I worked in MS Gratbal. Then I worked in Government Boys Higher Secondary School, Kurhama. And nowadays I am deployed at Government Boys High School, Rabtar in Ganderbal. Overall, from 2009, it was a wonderful journey for me to be the part of this great department, that is education department. I wholly and solely worked in Zone Tulmala of district Ganderbal, UT JNK. Overall, I experienced so many things in these long 15 years. In fact, it is a big part of my life which I spent in Ganderbal district. I am Shamsi Khurshid from district Ganderbal, from district Badgam, and I used to go from district Badgam to district Ganderbal daily. In fact, I have to cross so many points to reach to my duty point. When I started my daily journey from the home, then I have to cross the main village. Either I have to go via Vadvan or via Arath. Usually I go from Arath direction, then ultimately uh, I reach to Narbal. Then Narbal, I have to go into the Srinagar district, then Baramulla district, then ultimately I have to touch the Bandipora district. I have to cross Shadipura also. Then I have to go, in fact, into the district Ganderbal. Then I have to perform there my duty. In fact, it is about I have to touch almost 5 districts. The whole Kashmir division is 10 districts, and I have to touch 5 districts. That means from one side I have to touch 5 districts. That is half Kashmir. Overall, it is a wonderful experience for me to be the part of this educational department and to perform this daily duty. Uh, uh, and I'm enjoying this challenging life. These oldest still I'm inshallah rahman in good spirit to perform more duty. Today we have come here at Zanaskar. These are the houses of Zanaskar. This is the surrounding area of Zanaskar. Overall, it is a wonderful area. It is a good area. It is a cool and calm area. It is very sunny this time on those mountains, on those snow-capped mountains. In fact, it is a very early morning time. Overall, it is a wonderful experience. I hope that you are enjoying this video. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.